Hello friends, today we will discuss about welding symbols and how to represent it on a drawing. Friends, let's say we have two plates to be welded together. So this is one plate, this is the second plate, and if I want to weld it at the corner like this, then how to represent this? So friends, to represent this welding in the drawing, we have to show an arrow here. So we have these two plates, and then we show an arrow here, and then this is the line. Here on the top of it, we show a fillet weld symbol like this. Then at the tail, we can write weld sequence number like W1 or W2, or even we can also give information about the weld number or any other information related to welding. This weld number is defined in ISO standards. So here in the tail you can provide this information. Then we have dotted line here. This is for representing on the other side. Then in the front we have to write or mention A2 or A3, that is the weld size. Then how long you need this weld, let's say 100 mm. So this is how we represent it. Here if you know, this is the weld here, and in this weld, so inside if you take at the center, this is the throat thickness A, and this is the leg length Z. So here you can also mention leg length Z or throat thickness. This is the size of the weld that we normally mention. Now if we have two plates to be welded together like this, and we need a butt welding here. On both the sides we need a butt welding. Then we can mention it like this. We can show the arrow. Then we can show the butt weld symbol. If we want to grind this weld after completing weld, then we can show a flat line on the top of it. Then weld size is 3 mm, let's say the thickness is 3 mm, and we need 400 mm, and let's say this is W2. Now if we want welding on the other side, on this side also, then this is the line for other side. Then we have to show a symbol on other side. Similarly, if you want to represent only for other side, then you can also mention like this. And no need to mention at the top. So this is the standard method for representing. And if you want welding on all around, on all sides, so this is the one plate, this is to be welded on another plate here, and we want welding on all sides. Then we can represent this with symbol here. fillet weld, and this is the circle that we need to mention it for welding all around. And if this welding is to be done in the field, then we can also mention here like this flag. So this flag represents the welding to be done at field, on the field. So you don't need to do it welding at your workshop. And then let's see another example. If we want to do a resistance spot welding or a plug welding, then how to represent it? So let's say we have two plates here. We need a welding at this location for resistance spot welding. In this case, we can represent like this: circle, then D and E. So D is the spot diameter. So let's say these are the two plates. So at this location we need a spot welding. So this is the diameter of spot to be done. Then E is the pitch distance, how far it is to be done. So this is the center to center or pitch distance for doing, or spacing for doing the spot welding between the two spots. Similarly, if you want to represent a plug welding, then you can do like this. So if you want to do it on the field, so this is the symbol for plug welding. Similarly, if you want to do it for seam welding, then you can represent like this. And then seam welding, so there is a circle here and two lines. So this is for seam welding. Similarly, here or in any other welding, if you want a backsail or a backing weld or backing run, in order to represent that, we can represent like this. So let's say this is the two plate, and we have here a welding, and on the back side also we need a welding. So we mention like this, and then here we can mention like this. So this is for backsail or a backing run in case of welding. So this is the general symbols for representing welding. We can represent this in any of the welding drawing, and then we can mention the sequence of weld like W1, W2 or any other method, and also mention weld numbers, welding process numbers that is defined according to ISO standard, and also weld size, which size of weld to be done, how long it is to be done, and also the direction. So this is the general knowledge about the welding and welding symbols. Friends, I hope you will like this. Thank you very much.